Hello children, today we are going to start with lesson number 2, that is Chuk Chuk. Okay, this is a lesson about a toy train. Chuk Chuk was a red toy train. It had a powerful headlight, a bell, three carriages and many strong wheels. Whenever Chuk Chuk moved, the headlight shone brightly and the bell rang loudly. All the children passing by saw it in the shop window. They would stop to look at it and scream, "What a beautiful toy train! Look how quickly it moves on the railway tracks." When Chuk Chuk heard these words of praise, it became very proud. One day, a rich man bought the red toy train for his grandson. When Rahul opened his grandfather's present, he shouted with joy. He put Chuk Chuk in the big basket where he kept his other toys. Jumbo, the elephant, smiled and said, "Welcome, Chuk Chuk." Chuk Chuk did not reply. Mithu, the parrot, squawked, "Will you give us a ride, Chuk Chuk?" Chuk Chuk did not answer. When Teddy, the leader of the toys, tried to talk to Chuk Chuk, it did not reply. When the toys chatted and played during the night, Chuk Chuk sat in a corner. It did not try to make friends with the other toys in the basket. The toys whispered to each other, "Chuk Chuk is very proud. It thinks it's better than us." One evening, Rahul's friend Atul and Mohan came to play with Chuk Chuk. They made it run many times round the garden. Chuk Chuk started feeling tired and sleepy. Then it was time for the boys to go home. Atul accidentally kicked Chuk Chuk. Bing, bang, bang. Chuk Chuk went flying into the bush. Its powerful headlight fell off and there was deep scratches all over its body. Rahul said goodbye to his friends and went inside his house. He forgot all about Chuk Chuk. Soon it became dark. Poor Chuk Chuk was alone and frightened in the bush. Teddy was worried about Chuk Chuk. He said to all the toys, "Chuk Chuk hasn't come back. We must try to find it." Mithu, the parrot, said, "Why should we worry about Chuk Chuk? It doesn't even talk to us." Teddy said, "Mithu, it's true what you say, but I think Chuk Chuk is in trouble. We must help it." Then all the toys agreed to look for Chuk Chuk. They went into the garden to find it. They called out, "Chuk Chuk, dear friend, where are you?" Suddenly they heard sobs coming from a bush. They ran towards it and found Chuk Chuk lying in it. Teddy and Jumbo pulled it out and brought it back to Rahul's room. All the toys said lovingly, "Don't worry, Chuk Chuk. We'll take care of you." They cleaned it properly. Sim Sim the clown taped Chuk Chuk's headlight back into place. Then it painted all over the scratches with red paint. Chuk Chuk looked bright and happy again. Chuk Chuk's eyes filled with tears. It said, "I'm sorry I was rude to all of you. Will you be my friends?" Everyone shouted, "Yes, Chuk Chuk will be your friends." Then all the toys lived happily ever after. So children, this was the lesson, today's lesson, in which we had studied about Chuk Chuk. That was a red toy train. It was very beautiful train, new train. So all the children used to like it and praise it. As we have heard, what a beautiful toy train and how quickly it moves on the railway track. Hearing all these things, Chuk Chuk became very proud, and it was so proud that when a boy got the Chuk Chuk as its toy, it didn't talk to the other toys. All the other toys, Jumbo the elephant, Mithu the parrot, Teddy, all these toys welcomed Chuk Chuk with them. but Chuk Chuk was so proud that he never talked with them. Then one day, when Rahul's friend Atul and Mohan they came and played with Chuk Chuk, and after playing with Chuk Chuk, they forgot about it and just left it in the garden. And when the Chuk Chuk was lying in the garden alone, and there were scratches all over it, and it was only the other toys who cared about the Chuk Chuk. They went out in the garden and looked for the Chuk Chuk, and when they found the Chuk Chuk, they brought it back into the room, and then they took care of the Chuk Chuk. And after seeing all their concern and their loving nature, Chuk Chuk became very regretted all his earlier behavior, and he became friends with their other toys, and they all the toys became friends, and they lived happily ever after. So children, all this was all in the lesson. Then in our next class we will do the exercises. Okay, read this lesson at home, and whatever difficult words are, you can we will do it in the word meaning in our next class. Thank you children.